Hello, welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Brittany Cano with Holistic Nurse Coaches. I support the stressed out, overextended woman to enjoy herself, enjoy her life through lifestyle medicine, mindfulness, and movement. So go ahead, if you're not driving, hopefully you're not, if you are listening to this, if you can find yourself in a comfortable position. So you can do this seated, you can do this lying down. Please do not operate any machinery while doing this. And then allowing your eyes to close if that feels safe. Letting those eyelids become heavy and making any adjustments that would support you in feeling more comfortable, more supported. Beginning to lengthen the spine. A slight tuck of your chin, softening and relaxing the muscles of the face. There's nothing that you need to see right now. There's nothing you need to say. This is your opportunity to simply be, to enjoy yourself, and to practice being here in this moment. Allowing your shoulders to relax, dropping them down, creating space as you lengthen your neck, allowing your arms to grow heavy and relaxed, observing as you breathe in and breathe out, allowing the breath to really move all the way down into the abdomen. And then slowly leave the body. We're going to take 3 inhales through the nose, relaxing those shoulders. And then exhaling slowly out through the mouth. Beginning to notice how you already feel more calm, more centered, more grounded in this moment. Allowing your hips and legs to be completely supported as you relax all the way down to the soles of your feet. And now as you breathe in slowly and breathe out even slower, saying to yourself, breathing in peace and breathing out calm. Breathing in peace and breathing out calm. It's as though this wave of peace and this wave of calmness is washing over your mind, washing over your body, washing over your emotions, washing over your relationships, washing over your spirit as you breathe in peace and you breathe out calm. Allowing yourself to continue to focus in on this grounding breath as you say to yourself, I am calm, I am grounded, I am here, I am calm, I am grounded, I am here. Feeling more centered, more peaceful, and more present as you go throughout your day. Anytime you start to feel unsteady, anxious, overwhelmed, remembering that you can come back to the breath, practicing these deep, expansive breaths, allowing your exhale to be longer and slower as you breathe into your belly and exhale out, slowly letting go. You also have that ability to relax into your body, to allow the support underneath your body to fully support yourself, feeling your feet on the ground. That you can come back to this place, that this is a space that you created and you have the ability to create again and again. And that there's no need to be in this space all the time. Giving yourself permission to experience the array of human experience, the ups and downs, the ebbs and flow. And starting to bring your awareness back to the space around you. Noticing your fingers, your toes, starting to bring some slow movement into those spaces. And then you might start to make some wrist rolls, rolling your wrist in one direction, and then rolling them in the other direction. And then rolling your ankles and changing direction, rolling them the other way. Stretching out nice and tall, lengthening the spine, taking up space, giving yourself full permission to be you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this meditation, please hit the like or love button and feel free to share this. Have a great day.